Today we are looking at equation involving number base. So we want to solve these two equations that involve number base. That means we are looking for their bases. Now the first one, solution. We have 1, 2, 6 base 10 is equal to 86 base 10. The first thing that I need to do in this case is to take the two numbers to base 10. The left hand side and the right hand side, take them to base 10. But this right hand side is already in base 10, so we need to only convert this left hand side to base 10. Now let's convert this to base 10. I will have 1 times n plus 2 times n plus 6 times n. Then you have the 0, 1, 2 should be equal to 86. This one is already in base 10, so no need for conversion. Then you have 1 times n raised to power 2, that's n raised to power 2, plus 2 times n raised to power 1, that's 2n, plus n raised to power 0 is 1 times 6, that's 6, is equal to 86. Then collecting like terms, I will have n squared plus 2n plus 6 minus 86 is equal to 0. This one has crossed equality sign to become a negative number. Then you have n squared plus 2n plus 6 minus 86, that's minus 80, is equal to 0. This has given us quadratic equation, so we need to solve it as such. We first look for product of the first and the last term. That will give me n squared times minus 80. That will give me minus 80 n squared. Then you need sum of the middle number, that's plus 2n. So what are the factors of 80 such that if I multiply them together, I will have minus 80. If I add the factors, I will have 2. Multiply the factors together to get minus 8, that's product. Then add the factors together to get 2, that's sum. The number should be 10 minus 8. So you have 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 times minus 8 is minus 80. Then you put your n and n. So substitute this 2n with this one. You have n squared plus 10n minus 8n minus 80 is equal to 0. So we factor out what is common between this and this. So you have n is common. N is common. Then you have n plus 10 minus this and this, 8 is common, so you have n. Since I factor out a negative number, the sign inside the bracket will change. So that will give me plus 10 is equal to 0. I will take one of these two, then put these other ones in brackets. So in that case, I will have open bracket n plus 10, then n minus 8, which is this and this, is equal to 0. You now say either n plus 1, n plus 10 is equal to 0, which means that n is equal to minus 10, or n minus 8 is equal to 0, which means that n is equal to 8. Now say since n cannot be negative, n cannot be minus 10, therefore n is equal to 8. That means our base in this first one is 8.